Subscribe Kids Learning Channel. G. Ga is for gate. Ga, gate. Write the letter G. Guess the picture. Start with the letter G. Gate. G for gate. H is for hat. Hat. Write the letter H. Guess the picture. Start with the letter H. Hat. H for hat. E for igloo. Igloo. Write the letter I. Well done. Guess the picture. Start with the letter I. Igloo. J is for jam. Jam. Write the letter J. Guess the picture. Start with the letter J. Jam. J for jam. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Write the letter K. Guess the picture. Start with the letter K. Kangaroo. La is for line. Line. Write the letter L. Guess the picture. Start with the letter L. Line. Well done. Hey you, if you like the video, give us thumbs up.